In this video, I'm going to talk about omnichannel administration. Now, as you know, there were two different administration apps within omnichannel, which is now no longer functioning. So we had an app called as Omnichannel Administration and Omnichannel Admin Center. Now both these apps have stopped functioning, and if you want to access this particular module, it will redirect you to another app which is called as Customer Service Admin Center. So as you see in the screen over here, if you trigger Omnichannel Administration, then it will ask you to navigate to Customer Service Admin Center. If you open Omnichannel Admin Center app, then it will again ask for your confirmation, and then it will navigate you to Customer Service Admin Center app. And this app will no longer be supported for all the Omnichannel Admin Center related stuff. You need to use Customer Service Admin Center. So that's the central app for administering Dynamics 365 customer service, as well as Dynamics 365 customer service Omnichannel apps. And again, like same goes with omnichannel administration as well. So you will be prompted this uh, message, and then you need to click on open customer service admin center app. Now, what are the different things you can do through omnichannel administration? So all of the omnichannel related administration activities can be performed in the customer service admin center app. The high level actions that can be performed are creating and managing the channels, creating and managing work streams, defining the agent experience, viewing insights, defining the session templates, defining the application tab templates, managing calendars, and there are many more. I have just listed at a very high level what all things can be done through omnichannel administration, but then there are other basic things like creation of like a holiday schedules or work calendars or operation hours. Those all things can also be managed using this particular application. Okay, so now as you see over here, I'm in the customer service admin center. So we know that we should not use omnichannel admin center and omnichannel administration. This all things will be redirected to this particular app. Okay, so here let's navigate through this application very quickly. Now in the home screen, it will give you some high level advanced configurations to set up quick replies, agent experience profile, setting up macros and article templates. Okay, and you may get other resources, external resources information in this particular type. Okay, if you want to search for any settings, because as the settings are increased day by day, it will be very difficult to structurally navigate through the settings. So what you can do is you can go to search admin setting and start searching for the settings. Okay, so if you want to configure something related to say, skills, okay, then you type that keyword, and it will give you the top match. Okay, so the top match is user management skills, and then I can navigate through that settings. Okay, so this is how you can navigate to the particular settings. Now there is something called as a guided channel setup. So it's like a pre-configured template which is being defined. So you can start a new setting up of channel process, and then you can start defining those. I'm not going to cover this over here, but I'm just giving a very high level overview what all things can be done using the customer service admin center. Customer support. Customer support has whole bunch of information, like right from user management to channels provisioning, queues, routing, work stream management, case setting, and customer settings. And then within user management, you can do further actions on users, like managing the users, managing the key attributes of the user management skills, skills hub, capacity, role persona mapping, security roles. Okay, you can add a bot, you can add a channel, you can manage records, chats, messaging, messaging accounts, manage basic queues, advanced queues, configure routing. So this is also an important topic. Routing, managing the routing, turning on the routing, setting up skill-based routing, setting up the diagnostics, and the sentiment-based routing, as well as effort-based routing. Then there's work stream configuration. So work stream is like basically a combination of the settings and information related to a specific channels. Then you can do something related to case, like you can set up the subjects, automatic record creation, advanced similarity rules. You can configure customer related settings as well, like how the customer should be authenticated, anything related to self service, outbound information. Coming back to agent over here, agent can, there are various settings which you can perform on agents, like working on the agent experiences, setting up session templates and application tag templates, providing a profile for a particular agent, uh, setting up productivity for agent related to quick replies, email templates, agent scripts, uh, setting up knowledge base, setting up the article templates, categories for it, and then collaborating using teams. This is also one very important concept, customer support swarming, which I'm going to go in my upcoming videos. So this is also an interesting concept, whereby if the agent is unable to say resolve the case, then they can take help of like-minded individuals or agents within your organization, which can help you resolve the case by swarming a set of users to collaboratively work on a case. Workspaces, again, this is all about setting up agent experiences, setting up the sessions, setting up the notifications. Productivity is about quick replies, setting up email templates. It is adding more productive functionality within this particular segment. So you can set up custom presence, you can do a data masking. From a knowledge perspective, you can do set up the knowledge portal, categorize the knowledge article, configure search providers, etc. From collaboration, you can configure teams for various activity. You can embed the chat using teams. You can set up a meeting integration with the teams, and of course, customer support swarming. From an operation perspective, you can view the insights. You can define the calendar, define the service terms, service scheduling, and many more. Now, if you go to calendar, you can set up the operating hours for your workspace, and for your customer support area. You can set up customer service calendar. You can set up holiday calendars, and then you can define and attach those calendars to the customer service calendar, so that the holiday gets affected and your customer service teams will be unavailable during those hours or days. Service terms, this is all about SLA, service level agreement. Set up the SLA KPI, set up the entitlement, set up the templates for entitlement, and then define the SLA KPI and the SLA KPI items. Service scheduling, this is mainly for, I'd say, setting up those like a field force kind of an application, whereby you define the resource, you define the facilities, you define the service, you define the fulfillment preferences, and all those kind of things, which is helpful for setting up those field services related application. And if you go into miscellaneous, you will see a lot of other things related to automatic record creation and SLA migration, and then property definition, device categories, and command definition. So that's it, folks. This is all about customer service admin center. Here you can do everything related to Dynamics 365 customer service config settings, and for Omnichannel as well. So we'll go through each and every feature in more depth in the upcoming videos. But for time being, this is all about customer service admin center. Thanks for watching.